Tonight, we are exploring Hua Hin, starting at the food festival right outside Market Village Mall. The atmosphere here is amazing. Live music, colorful lights, and the smell of fresh Thai street food everywhere. What we really love about food festivals in Thailand is how lively and relaxed everything feels. Families, tourists and locals all come together to enjoy the evening. There are so many different dishes to try, from grilled seafood and spicy local specialties, that's really hard to decide. We decided on Thai sausages. After grabbing a bite, we headed inside Market Village Mall to cool down a little and have a look around. The mall has a mix of local shops, international brands, cafes and restaurants. A nice contrast to the busy outdoor market atmosphere. The food festival gives the Market Village Mall a really special vibe. We are glad we got to experience it and have stopped by several times to grab a bite to eat. Later, we continued exploring the streets of Hua Hin at night. city has a very different vibe after sunset. Lots of small bars, street food stalls, neon lights, and people enjoying the warm evening. We also explored Soi 18, one of Hua Hin's well-known nightlife areas. The street is full of bars, restaurants and plenty of activity, especially in the evening. Hua Hin has a unique mix of relaxed beach town charm and a vibrant nightlife, which makes it such an interesting place to explore after dark. From there, we continued to Soi Bintabaht, another famous nightlife street in Hua Hin. The atmosphere here feels even more lively and compact. with bright lights, open bars, street music, and lots of people enjoying the night.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Thanks for joining us on this evening adventure through Hua Hin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.